Okay, in this video we are going to solve question number 3rd of exercise number 3.6. Okay, the question is that Ruhi travels from a place A to B. Okay, partly by train and partly by bus. So the question is that first of all we have to make a diagram that Ruhi goes from place A to place place A to place B, and the two places are 300 kilometer apart. Okay, so case number first, when she travels 60 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus, then it takes 4 hours. 60 kilometer by train and the remaining 240 kilometer by bus. Okay, and what is case number second is? Case number second is that she covers the 300 kilometer. First 100 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus. But the difference is that it takes 10 minutes extra to travel by the second case. So what will be the equation? As you all know that time is equal to distance upon speed. Yes, the time is equal to distance upon speed. So the total time taken to cover 300 km in case number first. Okay, the equation will be T equals to D upon S. Okay, we have given total time, but the speed of train and bus is not given, and it was told that in the train and speed of bus is constant. So let speed of train equals to x and speed of bus equals to y. Done. So case number first, when she travels 60 kilometer by what? Train. Then total time is 60 upon x, and next she travels 240 kilometers by train. Okay, bus. First 60 kilometer by train and then remaining 240 kilometer by bus. This is distance upon speed equals to time, and this is also time. Then total time will be 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. Done. And case number second equals to, she travels 100 kilometer by train and the remaining 200 kilometer by bus, and it takes 10 minutes extra. So if we convert 10 minutes in hours, then it will be 10 by 60 or 1 by 6. So total time will be 4 hours plus 1 upon 6 hours. Okay, 4 hours plus 1 upon 6 hours. We can now solve it down. It will be 25 upon 6. 25 by 6. Done. Now we got the two equations. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay. Now what we have to do is we can see that the variables are at denominator place. So we have to take another variable a or b. Let 1 upon x equals to a, comma 1 upon y equals to b. So equation will be 60a plus 240b equals to 4. 60a plus 240b equals to 4, and the second equation will be 100a plus 200b. 100a plus 200b equals to 25 by 6. 25 by 6. So what we have to do is we can multiply the first term by 5 and second term by 3, so that the constant of a becomes 300. So multiplying equation, this will be 1 and this will be second. Equation 1 by what? 5 and equation 2 by 3. Okay, it will be 300A plus 240 into 5. It will be 1200B equals to 20. And next is 300A plus 200 into 3, 600B equals to 25 by 6 into 3. It will be 25 by 2. Done? We have multiplied 26 by 3, then it will become 2. Okay, now we subtract equation 2 from equation number 1, then the sign will change. 300 minus 300 equals to 0. And what is 1200 minus 600? It will be 600 B equals to, what is 20 minus 25 by 2? 20 minus 25 by 2. What we can say is 25 minus 25 by 2 is 12.5 and 20 minus 12.5 is 7.5. Okay, we can write it down 7.5 or we can write it 15 by 2. Okay, so you can solve it out here in rough. It will be 20 minus 25 by 2 is 15 by 2. Done? You have to find value of B. B equals to 15 by 2 into 600. Then B equals to 15 4s are 60 and 14 to 2 will be 180. Then B equals to 180. And what was B? B was 1 upon y. Then we can place 1 upon y in place of B. So 1 upon y equals to 1 upon 80. Y equals to 80 kilometer per hour. Done? And what we can do is we can place the value of B in equation number A or equation number B, or we can place value of y in equation number this or this. So what do you want? I will place the value of B or place the value of y. So okay, I am placing the value of B in equation number what? First or second? I am placing it in equation number first. So 300A plus 1200 multiplied by 180, 1 upon 80. 1200 into 1 upon 80 equals to what? 20 equals to 20. It will be 300A plus 8 and 120. It will be 42s and 43s. Done? Plus 30 upon 2 equals to 20. Okay? We can place 30 upon 2 on the right hand side. It will be 300A equals to 20 minus 30 upon 2. So A will be 40 minus 30 upon 2. Okay? And this 300 will come at the denominator side. Sorry, 300. Done? What is 40 minus 30? It will be 10 upon 600. Done? Okay, or we can say that 10 upon 600. 0 is cancelled. A will be 1 by 60. Or we can place value of A. A was 1 upon x. So 1 upon x equals to 1 upon 60. And x will be 60 kilometer per hour. These are the final answer of x and of y. Okay class, this was question number 3 from part. This was